Run! George! Is that any better?
It doesn't really keep you cool, but it kind of keeps the flies off.
Oh, that's good.
And Mom, so there's this little scab on her. Can you check what it is?
Yeah.
Just a little bump right there. Yeah, I just don't know what it is. Is it nothing bad?
Yeah, it's fine. When you do that teeth, you put a little of that oil, because it has like lavender and coconut and stuff. We'll rub that right on that little area.
Such a grandma goat.
For some reason, Luna is putting her butt up against the fence. All right, Willow found another stump to play with.
Willow just loves stumps. Any stump of any kind. She's gonna fall off with her hooves on the edge.
No way, she's an expert mountain climbing goat.
You knocked over her bed. She likes to sleep on the wagon.
Oh, I know. Pick up your wagon, Willow.
Is anybody gonna cover up Emu's hole, or are we just gonna keep? Are we just gonna leave that there?
He'll make it bigger and bigger. Getting some more colors on him. Hey Ethan, isn't it boys don't have feathers on their head?
Boys don't have feathers on their head.
You successfully trained them to be annoying, Kevin.
No, look, they let me scratch them in their ears like a dog now. We have another problem now. The pig, Fred and George, are now big enough that they can jump their front legs up here and eat out of the hay thing with the goats. Oh, it looks like the goats don't let them a lot of times. They headbutt them. But when no one's looking, Fred and George jump up there and eat the goat chaff hay.
Well, we've had a crazy last couple days. We've had a bunch of monsoon storms and dust everywhere, and the pond wires to the pump broke for a few days, but we're back to normal, back to recording, except today is a special day because we are going on vacation up north to our in-laws' cabin. The cool part about Arizona is you can travel just a couple hours and then you'll be up in the nice pines, still a little hot, but it's not as bad as down here in the valley. That's the plan today. We've got to get all the animals ready to go. We've got to take care of the farm. We've got to make up a list for our farmhand that's going to come and take care of the property. Then we've got one last thing today, irrigation. We've got to finish irrigation, water our entire property, and then we can head up north to the nice cool weather.
It's irrigation day, and we are going to try something that someone suggested, to try to surf when our irrigation comes and see if that works.
Wait, hold up. You're gonna get wet?
Let's see. Lydia could do it too. We could both do it.
What do you think, Ethan?
I think this is gonna go really badly.
It's like thundering right now. Can you hear that?
I hear it in the distance.
Gonna get rain when we get irrigation. You better move that piece of wood. Watch out, Liddy. All right, here he goes, folks. He's gonna try it. Ready? Set. It's too low. It's too low today. No.
You're too heavy, guys.
You're too heavy. Can you hear the thunder, Kevin? Oh my gosh. On the day we get water. Here it comes. Run! George! Like, Willow, you're stuck.
Oh.
Too much water. What are you gonna do, Willow? Yeah, she's thinking about it.
Every time we get rain, there's irrigation.
You think you meant that backwards.
Oh, every time we get irrigation, it rains.
Yeah.
Come on, Willow, you can do it.
She lives over there now. Come on! Yay!
Girl.
And that's how you do irrigation. Good job, didn't work. You should have used this smaller board.
Irrigation doesn't seem like it's a very strong flow, does it?
No.
We're getting ready to go on vacation here. What do we need to do? Need to put a whole bunch of food for the chickens here. One last milking before we go. Oh, my garbage!
What did he do?
They can climb all the way up on top of that water trough. Stinking Fred and George, you can jump all the way up to this water trough that I put like 2 feet off the ground. Piece of garbage, pigs. You guys are so athletic. What's the deal? I guess Wilbur can jump and do backflips in the air.
Finished milking. Now, need to check their food. We don't need to give them a ton because the lady who comes and milks our goats will feed them. Let's go get some hay to give them. Here. Come here. So this is Fred. This is Fred, because Fred is not red. George orange. Hi, Tilly. Doris. They don't have anything either.
My favorite job is slopping the pigs because it's so fun.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, don't spill the milk. Don't spill the milk.
Oh my god.
Isn't that the funnest job? Slopping the pigs. Except they don't let you do it very well because they like to stand in their food. Come on, I gotta get you this last potato salad. Not very appetizing since they stick their whole body in it. The pigs are so nice they let Emu get in there and step on their food too. Such nice pigs. Adopted Emu to be an official pig. Watch out, Emu. Those pigs might just eat your toe.
What do you think they are? Teenagers now? Oh.
Fred and George, the teenagers.
Emu, get out!
I know, what if they like eat Emu's toe on accident? This looks like a French fry.
Oh!
I just did.
Really? Well, he's trying to eat the cantaloupe. He just dragged it out.
Let's get him a cantaloupe. Where'd it go?
We're behind.
Here it is, Emu. There you go.
Oh, I don't know.
Look, cantaloupe. Right there. There you go. Cantaloupe.
Gotta go eat that.
Take it over there.
He runs.
Take it way over
He's
there.
It's in the water now. He doesn't know where to set it down.
This way, no pigs can come and steal it from me. Stay way over there. All right, filled up our chicken feed really high. That should last us for our 3 days we're on vacation here.
Ugh. Oh, Willow. Oh, man.
All right, we are all packed and ready to go. We've got everything in the car. Bye-bye, farm. We'll see you later. We're bringing up the golf cart. Got everything packed.
We are on the roof.
Okay, say bye.
See you later.
Bye.
Bye.
So we're gonna be up where we don't really have internet, so we are not gonna be able to record a ton. Sorry about that. We'll probably see you guys in about a week. See you later. Bye.